Imagine when you can enjoy fresh coffee everywhere in your life. Codale Modal Launch. Every place becomes your perfect coffee nook. Built-in brushless motor. Delivers up to 100 watts of powerful performance. Classic 7-star conical blade. With an exceptionally stable structure, it grinds every bean evenly, fully unlocking flavor. When grinding begins, the ion generator in the smart home bracket is activated automatically, neutralizing static electricity by emitting positive and negative ions, ensuring even grounds distribution, efficient and waste-free. A single full charge lasts you 2 weeks of enjoyment. Powerful performance, keeping every cup fresh on the go. 60 precise grind settings, perfectly synced with your creative rhythm. Unstoppable creativity, coffee your way. 180mm compact body, yet holds all the coffee possibilities. IP65 waterproof and dustproof. Fearless in any weather, travel freely. Even in the dark of night, it serves as an auxiliary light source. Supports two-way fast charging for emergency phone power, becoming your all-in-one outdoor companion. Enjoy coffee fun anytime, anywhere.